Hi, I'm Emma, and I would like to explain how to measure for JOBST ready-to-wear circular knit garments. This measuring guideline demonstrates how to measure JOBST ready-to-wear circular knit garments. This measuring standard does not replace any formal training on treatment of lymphatic and venous diseases or lipedema. Please consult your doctor or therapist for the required compression class and style. Medical compression garments should only be used after consultation with your doctor or therapist and checked regularly by them on the appropriateness of your therapy, also considering age and health status. Patient measurements should be taken by a trained person to ensure the correct product size needed and to decide whether a made-to-measure or ready-to-wear garment is required. When reordering a garment after 6 months, we recommend remeasuring, as the limb circumference might have changed. Before you start to measure for JOBST ready-to-wear circular knit garments, you will need the following: a measuring tape, a pen, and, if you are a healthcare professional, an order form. In this video, we will show you how to measure for thigh-high products. All measurements should be taken without tension. For thigh-high products, we need to measure circumference B, C, G, and length G. Circumference B is measured just above the malleoli at the narrowest part of the ankle. Circumference C is measured at the greatest calf circumference. Circumference G is measured at the widest part of the thigh while in a standing position. Length G is measured up to the gluteal fold. Once the measurement is completed, please plot the measurements onto the sizing chart of the desired product and style to determine your size. Highlight the sizes on the chart that the measurements fit into. Once the sizes are plotted, choose the size that all measurements fit into. In this example, it is size M, regular leg. If the measurements do not fit into one size, we recommend reaching out to a healthcare professional for a made-to-measure garment. To order the garment in case you're a patient, please look for the closest JOBST distributor in your area. To order the garment in case you're a healthcare professional, please go to the JOBST e-shop or follow the instructions on the order form